Phrase Clent Brooks. Introduction. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss an important concept in literary criticism, the heresy of paraphrase, by Clent Brooks was one of the major critics of the New Criticism movement. He believed that a poem should be studied as an independent work of art. According to him, the meaning of a poem cannot be separated from its language, structure, imagery, rhythm, and form. The term, heresy of paraphrase, means the mistake of trying to explain a poem only by giving its summary or simple meaning. What is paraphrase? Paraphrase means expressing the meaning of a text in different words. For example, when we read a poem and explain its story or message in simple sentences, we are paraphrasing it. Usually, paraphrase helps us understand difficult texts, but Clent Brooks argues that a poem is not just an idea or message. The way a poet expresses that idea is equally important. Meaning of heresy of paraphrase. The word heresy means a belief or action that is considered wrong. According to Brooks, treating a poem as something that can be completely explained through a summary is a mistake. A poem's beauty and meaning exist in the relationship between its words, images, symbols, and structure. A poem is not like a story that can be reduced to a few lines. Main ideas of Clent Brooks.
1.
A poem is a whole structure. Brooks says that every part of a poem contributes to its meaning. Words, sounds, images, and symbols work together. If we remove these elements and only keep the summary, we lose the real beauty of the poem. For example, the meaning of a poem is not only what it says, but also how it says.
2.
Form and meaning cannot be separated. According to new critics, form and content are closely connected. The poet's choice of words, arrangement of lines, use of irony, and symbolism create the meaning. Changing the form can change the experience of the poem.
3.
Poetry contains complexity and irony. Brooks believed that great poetry contains different ideas and emotions together. A poem may show conflict, tension, and opposite meanings. This complexity gives poetry its richness. A simple summary cannot capture these deeper meanings. Example, The Canonization, by John Donne. Brooks explains that poems like cannot be understood only by summarizing the argument. The poem is not just about love. Its images, religious references, and surprising comparisons create a deeper meaning. The style and structure are essential parts of the poem. Importance of the heresy of paraphrase. It changed the way critics studied poetry. It encouraged close reading of literary texts. It focused attention on language and structure. It rejected the idea that poetry is only a vehicle for a message. Criticism of Brooks' theory. Some critics argue that Brooks gives too much importance to the text itself and ignores history, society, and the poet's background. A poem can also be connected with the culture and time in which it was written. However, his idea remains one of the most influential concepts in modern literary criticism. Conclusion. To conclude, the heresy of paraphrase teaches us that a poem cannot be reduced to a simple explanation. Poetry is not only about ideas, it is about the artistic arrangement of words and meanings. Clent Brooks reminds us that to truly understand a poem, we must study its language, form, imagery, and structure. A poem is not something to be translated into a summary, it is an experience to be understood as a complete work of art.